How to start a streak on Snapchat in 2024. So first step is to make sure that your Snapchat application is up to date. So go to the App Store, search for Snapchat. So simply type that in and then make sure that this button says open. If it says update, then it means that there's an update that you don't have yet. So make sure to install and update it. Now, once you have the latest version of the app, open it, and then first thing that you need to do is to take a photo or video. Photos and videos are the material that you need in order to send a snap, which starts a streak. So go ahead and take one. In this editing page, you can then add lots of elements. You can add text, you can say streak, since that is the most common and usual thing to start one, or you can also use the pen and then write an S. It also means streak and it's already understandable for Snapchat users. You can add text, images, music, and a lot more. So just play around here. And once you have your photo or video, click on send to, and then your friend list will then show. Select the users that you want to start a streak with, and then tap on send. After this, all you have to do is to wait for their snap. A snap, again, is a photo or video that is sent to you, just like what we sent. And once you and a user has been sending snaps at least once a day for 2 or more days, a number will show here, just like this one. And this indicates how long you guys are on a streak. So that is how to start a streak on Snapchat in 2024. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.